Number 1. Niemand Fiba Ford F100 Custom, 4000 Myrtle Creek, Oregon. This 1965 Ford F100 Custom comes from one of the most desirable years of the 5th generation F-Series, known for its balanced proportions and classic styling. It is powered by a strong-running 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The 74,000 miles shown are believed to be original, supported by the clean undercarriage. Rust is mostly limited to surface corrosion, with minor early-stage rust in the bed and floorboards that remain structurally solid. With a clean title, current registration, and original drivetrain, this truck is a solid restoration candidate or vintage driver needing brake attention. Number 2. 1987 Ford F350, $4,000, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1987 Ford F350 is a heavy-duty work truck equipped with a remanufactured gasoline V8 engine and automatic transmission. It features a 13-foot all-metal flatbed with lift capability, designed for commercial use. Although it shows 339,600 miles, the rebuilt drivetrain adds value. The truck has been sitting for about 3 years and is not currently running. With a clean title and solid foundation, it is best suited for a utility-focused restoration project. Number 3. 1955 Chevrolet NAPCO 4-wheel drive, $4,975, Great Falls, Montana. This 1955 Chevrolet NAPCO 4-wheel drive pickup is a rare and historically significant truck, representing early factory-supported 4-wheel drive conversions. This second series Chevrolet 3100 is complete but non-operational and requires flatbed transport. It shows extensive rust, mechanical issues, and a later 350 cubic inch V8 engine, reducing originality. Despite its condition, its rarity makes it a challenging but potentially rewarding restoration candidate. Number 4. 1961 Ford F350 Holmes Wrecker, $5,000, Abbotsford, British Columbia. This 1961 Ford F350 Holmes Wrecker features a heavy-duty 10,000-pound rear axle and original roto-beam equipment. Owned by the same owner for over 30 years, it benefits from a rebuilt 292 cubic inch V8 engine, rebuilt brakes, new suspension components, and a new clutch. The 4-speed manual transmission operates smoothly and the truck runs strong. While cosmetic work and minor repairs are needed, it remains a highly authentic vintage tow truck. Number 5. 1975 Nissan Datsun king-size pickup, and $9,500, Sacramento, California. This 1975 Nissan Datsun king-size pickup is a rare classic Japanese truck in rust-free California condition. It is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It offers excellent drivability. With 26,700 miles, barn storage history, and a clean title, it stands out as a survivor. Minor cosmetic flaws aside, its originality and recent mechanical updates make it a strong collector-grade example. Number 6. 1971 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $8,500, Fabens, Texas. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 short bed is a rolling project sold without an engine or transmission. It features a clean title, tubbed rear end, wide rear tires, and a custom GMC grille. As part of the highly collectible second-generation C10 lineup, it provides an excellent platform for a street truck or custom build with full drivetrain flexibility. Number 7. 1931 Ford Model A Custom Roadster Pickup, $7,500, Central Point, Oregon. This 1931 Ford Model A Custom Woody Roadster Pickup blends pre-war styling with custom craftsmanship. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it maintains mechanical simplicity. Numerous new and rebuilt components improve reliability while preserving vintage character. With fair overall condition and a clean title, it suits enthusiasts of early hot rod pickups. Number 8. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Custom, $15,000, San Antonio, Texas. This 1962 Chevrolet C10 is a fully customized truck built on a new frame with upgraded suspension. It is powered by a fuel-injected crate V8 engine with approximately 4,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission. Features include air suspension and 20-inch wheels. Well-maintained since its purchase in 2019, it offers classic looks with modern drivability. Number 9. 1973 Toyota Pickup Hilux, $11,500, Union City, California. This 1973 Toyota Hilux is a highly preserved survivor, retaining its original engine, transmission, paint, and interior. With 87,000 miles, no rust, and excellent mechanical condition, it represents exceptional originality. The short bed and period camper shell add character, making it highly collectible among vintage Japanese truck enthusiasts. Number 10. 1997 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive, $500, Flagstaff, Arizona. This 1997 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive is a low-cost project truck with heavy rust and a salvage title. Powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic type transmission, it runs and drives but is stuck in low-range four-wheel drive. It requires a replacement bed and extensive bodywork, making it best suited as a parts or off-road project. Number 11. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado C10 Camper Special, $12,500, Bisbee, Arizona. This 1976 Chevrolet Silverado C10 Camper Special is a well-optioned heavy-duty pickup powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Features include dual fuel tanks, towing equipment, and factory comfort options. The rare green-on-green color combination remains appealing. While the air conditioning needs service, the truck runs and drives very well. Number 12. 1985 Ford 8000 dump truck, $12,000, Sheridan, Montana. This 1985 Ford 8000 is a medium-duty diesel dump truck built for commercial durability. With only 2 owners and 94,164 miles, it starts easily and operates properly. While not a traditional collectible, classic work trucks like this are increasingly appreciated for their simplicity and historical value.